how to fix Facebook two-factor authentication code not coming. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, your two-factor authentication code not coming might be either the Facebook's issue or the device issue. So, I'll help you solve it. First things first, go to your settings and then go to General and tap on iPhone storage. Now, go ahead and search for the Facebook app right here. Tap on Facebook and tap on Offload app. So, offloading Facebook will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So, offloading the app will help you refresh the errors and glitches, and you'll have to reinstall it again from the App Store. However, even after offloading and reinstalling the app, it does not work, then it might be the device's issue. So, what you can do is you can force restart your iPhone. Just hold the volume up button and the power up button at the same time and hold it until you see slide to power off. Then slide to power off and restart the device. Sometimes restarting a device also goes a long way. And that's it. I hope the solution helps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.